Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Pasha Krech and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about how much money did YouTube pay me for the first 90 days since I became monetized. Now, keep in mind that these numbers are just gross revenue from the YouTube channel. That does not mean that it's all profit. And there are people out there who make more, there are people out there who make less, but these are just my numbers. Now, the whole reason I'm making this video is because after a live stream I've had yesterday, and the people who were in the live stream were interested in knowing how much YouTube pays, and I thought that would be generally a good idea to share with people, because when I was in a position where I didn't know from the inside, I was interested in what people could make. Now, with that being said, let's just hop straight into my analytics dashboard. Now, here on the main page, you can see just some sort of summaries. This is what the analytics dashboard looks like, and we're gonna go directly into analytics. Now, the 90-day period starts for me on July the 14th, because that is when I got monetized. I was monetized for about 4 hours of that day. And here you can see that in this time period, for the 90 days, I got 363,700 views. I got 30,000 watch hours and 2.7 thousand subscribers. I know people that make way more money with less views than I have, and I know people that get 10 times as many views as I do, but get about the same amount. So it just depends. The numbers are relevant, and in your case, it could be different from what I have. Now, at the time of recording this video, I have 4,146 subscribers, which is a lot more than I expected to be. Now, going directly into the revenue portion of this video, we're going to go first to the CPM, which is the revenue number that a lot of people talk about. That is what YouTube charges advertisers, and my average CPM for this time period is $20.66. Now, if we go to the RPM, which is the value that I get to retain, my average is $8.81. And if we're going to go to the estimated revenue, the first day ever, even though it wasn't a fully complete day, ended up being $8.76. Now, once again, I'd like to let you know that I do have expenses. My Adobe cost me $80 a month. My Adobe photos from the Adobe stock cost me another $80 a month. And that alone is already $1,600 for this year, just there alone. Now, for the second day of ever being monetized, I'm sitting at $36.58. And the grand total would be $3,195.